Hello friends, welcome to Selenium WebDriver training sessions. So this is the third session of my beginner series. In this session, we are going to learn about how to interact with the alerts using Selenium. So the concepts are, we will look at what is alert and how to switch to alert, how to accept the alerts, how to dismiss alert, get the alert text, enter values in alert, and we'll see one live example, how do we automate when there are alerts on a web page. So let's get started. So what is alert? So in general, if you browse through any web application, you will see many objects like enter values, enter checkbox, select checkboxes, select radio buttons, and there are sometimes it will ask you for your confirmation. So like suppose you are navigating to any site, sometimes you might see some confirmation saying that are you sure you want to proceed further, so that will ask you to reconfirm something from you. So to interact with that kind of to interact with those kind of alerts, the WebDriver is having one mechanism. So and those kind of confirmation boxes or prompt boxes, we call it as a alert. So let's see what is alert with some definition. So an alert is a small message box which appears on screen to give the user some information or notification. It notifies the user with some specific information or error, asks for a permission to perform certain tasks, and it also provides warning messages as well. So means suppose you are deleting one user from application, then you will see, hey, you are deleting one user, are you sure you want to do it? So that is called as an alert. Okay, so basically alerts are three types. So the first one is called as alert box. The alert box, it only gives the message, and it will have only the one button just to click OK. So just saying that okay, you are going to over here, just you can only accept it and proceed, but you don't have any options in the alert box. And confirm box will have two buttons, so you can either choose OK or you can cancel. Cancel means it you will not move or you will not proceed further. And prompt box will have both like OK and cancel, including some type, like including some input box, like just so you are proceeding further, then you can put some comment, okay, I wish to proceed further, enter the comment, click on OK, so that you are navigated to the next page with some alert, with some user defined messages. So these are the three different types of alerts we can see in any web page. And look at this, the alerts, like you see, this is simple web page, and if you click over here, you see some alert is popping up, right? So this is called as an alert. Hey, hello, I have an alert box. So until you click on OK, you cannot interact with any of these elements. You see nothing. So you must close this alert to proceed further. Now what if you do something, is doing nothing, and now you can interact. You see, you can select or you can click. Okay, so this is about alert. And and we'll see, this is an alert box, and this is about confirmation box. In confirmation box, you can see the two buttons, yes or no. Please confirm, are you sure you want to continue? So here you will have options, but here you don't have an option. You just click OK and just that's it. And here you can say either accept or dismiss. You can say either yes or no. This is a confirmation box. And the prompt box is, you will have OK and cancel or yes or no along with some inputs. You can enter some values. So these are the different types of alerts. So now we will look at switch to dot alert. To interact with those alerts, WebDriver is having a class or method called as driver dot switch to dot alert. So means switch to dot alert will help help the WebDriver to switch the focus to alert. So that is about switch to dot alert. Switch to currently active alert on a web page. It returns alert. Okay, let's see one example. Driver dot switch to dot alert. This is a syntax, And this is example alert, confirm alert. You can give it as any name, alert or xyz equals to driver dot switch to dot alert. So now WebDriver focus will switch to the alert. Okay, and I'm storing this alert in a defined alert variable. Okay, so let's do one example. Right click, new, and you can create one new package, day underscore 13. Okay guys, right click, new, class UI underscore interact alert. Select the main method. Now you'll be writing your code in this section. And the first two lines of code is to navigate your browser. So I'm copied that code, copied the code to launch the browser, launch the browser. So now put some breakpoint, save this, right click, debug as Java application. Now you will see the Chrome driver is launched, and now it is halted at breakpoint. So this is empty now. Once you execute this step, it is navigated to this URL. See, it is navigated. This is my home page. Now here, this is my button. Okay, so after clicking on this button, you will see one alert will be popped up. We will see how to handle that. So to click on this, first you need to identify this. You need to submit. You need to type that value equal to submit because it doesn't have any ID or name property. So you need to write XPath. Driver dot find element by dot XPath. So what is the best attribute? Either you can take type or value. Okay, so I am relying on value attribute, and this is the input tag, right? So you need to write by dot XPath in double quotes, write input because that is the input button, right? So input at the rate and value attribute we are using equals to, in single quotes you need to write, you need to paste the submit value. Okay, close the square bracket and dot click. So this will click on the OK button. Okay guys, sorry, submit button. So just select it. This is the input we are taken. The value equal submit is the attribute value. This is about XPath. Now you can right click and inspect. Okay, so null means it's executed successfully, and you see there is a pop-up generated. This is a JavaScript alert. It's a kind of confirmation box. Okay, because it has okay, cancel, and input messages like prompt dialog, you can say. So driver dot, what is the command? Switch to dot alert. So this command will switch switch the WebDriver focus to that alert. So remember guys, other than any window, other than any parent window, you always need to switch the WebDriver focus. Then only it can interact with those elements. So import alert. So this is a prompt alert. I just stored the alert in a variable. This will switch WebDriver focus to alert. Okay. Now from here, if you say, if you just execute it, you see it is now WebDriver is focused on that alert. Okay. So means the focus is on that alert. So that is about switch to dot alert. Okay, so far we only switched the focus, but we haven't done any actions, right? So to do some actions on alerts, we will see it. Okay, so this is only to switch the WebDriver focus to the active alert. So at any point of time, only one alert active on any web page. Until unless you close that alert, you cannot interact with your web page. And we will look at accept. So this is one of the Selenium method to work with alerts. So switch to dot alert dot accept. Use it to click on OK or yes button on alert. Okay, so if there is an any alert, if you wanted to click yes or OK, then you need to use driver dot switch to dot alert dot accept. So this is the syntax: driver dot switch to dot alert dot accept. And what it does, it click on yes button or OK button. So this is the command to accept the alert. So now let's see this example. So I have already WebDriver opened and I have alert is also opened. I defined alert box using driver dash switch to dot alert. Now prompt alert will prompt. I'm sorry. Let me copy it. Oops, there's a spell mistake. That's okay. Prompt. Yep, prompt alert. Copy that. Prompt alert dot accept. So click OK or yes on alert box. Okay, guys. Now run this code. Inspect. You see, hello test, how are you today? Means the alert is accepted. Then you got this message. So this is about clicking on alert. Means you will get that particular text on UI. So this is how you can accept the alert. So just to make sure, you can put some breakpoint over here. Println accept accepted alert. Okay. Now right click, debug as Java application. Now Chrome driver launched. Navigating to home page. Accepted alert. You see, this is click hello dot click. How are you today? So means it's accepted. The alert has come up and the prompt dot alert dot accept is accepted the alert. So this is how driver dot switch to dot alert and alert dot accept will work with the alerts. Okay, so let's see the next example. Now we will see about the dismiss. So this is quite reverse. So switch to dot alert dot accept is accepted the alert, and this will say cancel or no to the alert. Switch to dot alert dot dismiss. So this will click on no button. So let's see one example. So we have code written over here. And this is my window. And you see, if you click on cancel, you will see user cancel the prompt, this message. If you click on OK, then you see hello dot click, how are you today? So this is also last time we see, right? With this message appeared when you click on OK button. And if you click on cancel, then you will see the cancellation message. Now we accepted it, we got that. Now we cancel it, you see user canceled the prompt. So this is the one of the way you can see whether alert is accepted or not, just to see how it is working. Okay, I say dismiss. Okay, so now I put some breakpoint and right click, debug as Java application. Now you see the driver dot switch to dot alert is now alert is on active on that, means WebDriver is focused on this alert. Okay, So now you see there is no message. Okay, now once you dismiss it, now you see user cancel. You will you see, yes, user cancel the prompt because that is user dot, sorry, the switch to dot alert dot dismiss is dismissed the alert, means it's cancelled the alert. So this is about switch to dot alert dot dismiss. And another method is get text. So this method is used to get the text of the alert box. So sometimes you need to verify from the application that okay, the application is throwing the proper alert with the proper message. So that is the expectation. So in order to validate, in order to automate that scenario, you can use this get text. So switch to dot alert dot get text is used to get the text of the alert box. So this is the syntax: driver dot switch to dot alert dot get text. So here we are focusing on the get text, means are you sure you want to continue? So to get this text, to verify this text, we will be using get text method, right? So if you get only, you can compare it. Okay, if this text is equals to my expected value, then you can say test case is passed, else the test case is failed. So this is kind of scenario which we can use. See, you can only retrieve, you can use this to retrieve this particular value. Okay, so let's get started. One example. So before dismissing, or after switching to alert, you can write get text. I put some breakpoint there. Now script will come and pass it prior, before the dismiss step. Okay, so here I will write some code to get the text of this alert. Means please enter your name. I would like to get this text. I wanted to verify this. So now what I should do, get text of the alert box. So prompt alert already defined. Okay, dot get text, very simple, one liner code. Okay, now it should get this value, and right click, inspect. You see, you got the please enter your name. So this is about how to get text of your alert. So if you want, you can print it to console using sysout, just for your convenience or just to verify. You can write system.out.println. Okay, you can close this and right click and inspect. You see, please enter your name is retrieved and printed in console. Okay guys, so this is about working with alert and to get text of the alert. So let's move on to the next command, switch to alert dot send keys. So as I discussed, so there are various things which we can do on alerts. The one is you can accept the alert, for that dot accept, and you can dismiss the alert, for this dot dismiss. You can get the text of alert, for that we can use dot get text, and to enter some values to the in to the text box that is in alert, then we will use switch to dot alert dot send keys. The command is switch to dot alert dot send keys and keys to send. You see here driver dot switch to dot alert dot send keys and the value which we needed to pass. Okay, so here this is a sample prompt box. So here you need to enter some value. If you wanted to enter any value on this, so you can directly enter, because driver dot switch to dot alert dot send keys will move to move the WebDriver focus to this alert and enter the value which we given in this particular text box. So that is about send keys. Okay, here it will enter the value. And there are certain known issues in the Selenium WebDriver. So due to this issue, you cannot see enter test on UI, but it will be done in backend. So you don't see like something entered on UI, but you can see the page is updated with this particular value. So let's see one example. So go into home page and click on this submit button. Okay, enter some value and click on OK. Then you will see whatever entered there should appear over here. Okay, so here you need to see whatever you entered should appear over here. So that we will automate now. Test, I am trying to enter tester. You see the tester is updated over here, and I'm updating some XYZ whatever, enter some thing over here. Okay, and that will appear on the bottom. So that is the requirement. Now driver dot switch to dot alert is already we are switching focus of WebDriver to that alert. Okay, so dot alert dot send keys test. Okay, you can use prompt alert dot send keys also, so both will work. You can use prompt alert dot send keys because we are already switch the focus of WebDriver, so it would be better if you use prompt alert. That's the best approach. Okay, so now once you switch focus, now accept the alert. To accept, driver dot switch to dot dot alert dot accept. Now the switched back means we are switched alert and accepted the alert. And you can use say prompt alert dot accept to because the already focus is on that particular prompt alert. So both are same. Okay, so we will see this example now. System out dot println accepted alert. So you need to use control space. You will get system out dot println. Put some breakpoint. Okay, save the code and right click, debug as Java application. Now you see the WebDriver is opened and it went on to click on submit and it should open one alert box on UI. See that one alert box is there. Now click next, click get text. Okay, now it should enter value and test and it should accept the alert. Okay, so entered and accepted alert. You see alert test because this is the value which we entered and it is appeared over here. This is the value. Okay, so alert test either any some xyz. How are you today? So means this is how you can switch the WebDriver focus to alert and send keys to the alert. So this is about send keys, and you can do some uh, practice on this particular stuff. You can navigate to https://blogspot.com/p/home.html and click on submit button and accept the alert and check that hello.click how are you today message appeared on screen. Click on submit button again, dismiss the alert, verify that user cancel the prompt appeared on screen and close the browser. So this is similar to what I've shown on video. So I'm giving you as exercise. You can do your own by accessing that website. This is a simple blog which I created. You can always access it and you can play around it. So this is about working with alerts. So just to summarize, we have discussed about how to interact with alerts using Selenium WebDriver. So to interact with alerts, first we need to switch the WebDriver focus to alert using the command driver.switch to .alert. So once you switch your WebDriver focus to alert, you can use uh, uh, four types of methods. One is accept. So that will accept means that will click OK or yes on alert. So the full syntax is driver.switch to .alert.accept. And the second is dismiss. This is used to cancel or say no to the alert. So the full syntax is driver dot switch to dot alert dot dismiss. And the third one is get text. So get text is used to retrieve the alert text. So the full syntax is driver dot switch to dot alert dot get text. And the last command is send keys. So send keys is a command which can be used to send keywords to the text box. So if we use driver dot switch to dot alert dot send keys some xyz, then the send keys command will send some values to the text box which is appeared on alert box. So these are the four methods which we discussed as part of this WebDriver this session. So I hope you got some idea about handling the alerts. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions, you can put under comment sections. I will reply you as early as possible. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.